Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to do some foundation today, but we're going to mix it with some BB cream. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a serum foundation, so it's great for our skin. And I'm 63, so I've been using it. This old skin of mine needs a lot of help, and it always comes out with a beautiful finish. So come on, I want you to learn how to do it. First thing you want to do though is make sure that you do all of your skincare. That's really important with older skin. So that way your makeup will go on better and stay better. And because it's moisturized and it's plumped up. And so you can see mine is kind of shiny. So I already have done that. So I am going to use Younique's Touch Glorious. This is going away, but it's a matte and I like it. So it goes on so good and it's so easy, but I hate that it's going away. I really do. But it is a matte primer, face primer. So I'm just going to place that where I need it. T-zone, pretty much. Definitely need to do that. But make sure your skincare is your #1 priority day. Morning time, I mean. And nighttime. So I do like to let this settle just for a second and adhere to my skin. And then we're up and we're going. Okay, so let me show you the goodies we're going to use. We're going to use these. I love these. This is Original Beauty Blender, and they are moist, okay? So make sure they are moist. It just works better. For me, it does. I really like it like that. And so this is its Bye Bye Pores Powder. It's translucent. Love it on my old skin. I'm 63 as we make this wonderful video. And we're going to use this foundation and we're going to use this BB cream. We're going to pair the two together. Now this is the Color Tool. This is a serum foundation by Younique. And then this is Younique's BB cream. It has an SPF of 30, I believe. Yes, 30. Love these two mixed together. The shine, I don't know how quite to describe it. It's very, very youthful looking once you put it on. Even if you set it with powder, which I'm going to do, absolutely gorgeous on the skin. So let's do this. Okay, let's mix this up. Oh, Lord. I like to do one good pump of this, okay? And then I like to do, I don't know, how many drops should we do today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just do 7. See that in my hand? Now you can mix this with your finger, or if you've got a little handy spatula, you can just do it like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to dot this on our face. And whatever's left on here, I'm not wasting it, okay? You got to do this too. And so take your hand, your finger, and just dot it. This is probably the easiest, prettiest finish that I've seen in a long time. Well, let me kind of cover that sucker up. For lack of a better word. I don't like them. So I'm not nice when I talk about them. So I love this foundation though. It's one of the best sellers. The BB cream is also very, very pretty on the skin. Now, I'm not gonna wipe everything off yet, just in case I might need a little bit more, okay? So I'm gonna take a kabuki brush and we're just gonna kind of buff it in, pat it in. I'm gonna bring it down. And remember now, if you think it looks too light, we're not done. We still have to add bronzer. We still have to add some blush. We gotta finish it out. And once I put the powder on it, it is so darn pretty. Oh my goodness. It looks just like your skin, but better. Now I'm not using it underneath my eyes. You can if you want to. If you're in a hurry, you can just do the whole thing here. But my under eyes are sucking this time of year. It's this cold. I don't like it. Now, if you're wondering where I'm from Alabama. And I don't like cold weather, period. See how pretty that is? Oh my goodness, I love it. Now, this is what I like to do. I got a little bit right there. Let me wipe it off. And take your beauty blender, the moist beauty blender, and just go over it. And it's gonna remove whatever you don't need. That's what I like about it. And that's why I wanted to do this today, because I couldn't remember if I've done this on here or not before. So And it doesn't take long to do this. See how pretty that is? Oh, girl. I like that. Now, I will put everything that I'm using in the description box, along with what I got on my eyes. I really haven't finished my eyes either, but now I got to wipe my hand off, and then we're going to move on to the powder. Okay, this is what we're using. There's my its. There it is, and I got some in the top, okay, of the lid. So what I like to do, you can either use the bottom of this. This is moist now. I like it moist because it seems to go on better for me when I do that way. Or you can dip it down in this, or you can do it down in the bottom. I'm going to take it like this. And what I like to do is kind of pat it in a little bit. And then I want to set my T-zone area. Why? Because that's throughout the day, that's where everything kind of breaks down. Because if you're at your desk at work, sometimes you put your hands up, you know, because you're frustrated at something. I'm so happy I'm so happy being retired. Let me just say that. It's nice. I have a lot more time. I spend a lot of time with my mother-in-law because she's 89 and she lives about 10 minutes from us. So I go over there every day. I make sure she's okay and if she needs anything. And, you know, she loves food. So, hey, I always bring her some lunch. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? My hair looks like crap, but my face looks okay now. Now we are going to add some concealer. I got to do my brows. This is not about brows. This is strictly about face today. So we're going to do my concealer and we're going to finish out this face, okay? Okay, we are going to use Dermatology. Love this stuff. This is a color corrector. Comes in a lot of different shades, but you can use this first, and then if you want to add a little more brightness, you can like use a regular concealer for it. But sometimes I just use this and nothing else. And this is the color medium. It does have, I think it's an SPF of 41, so that's good too. And it's a nice little compact. You just squeeze it just barely. Let's see if I can get some out of here. There it is. So take a look. I always like to put it where I see the dark. Yeah. I'll put it here first and here. Because my bags are different on each side. So I just kind of pop it in. And you do want to let it kind of settle a few minutes. And then we're going to blend it out. And then we'll add a tiny bit of concealer to it. Now I have gotten a new brush for my under eyes. And I love it. It's by BK Beauty, and it's Nikki LaRoche. Oh, this thing is so nice. If you don't have this, you need it. Because you can do more than just concealer with this. You can do your eyes with it. You can do blush with it. But we're going to blend out. I just love the way this is made. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. And I have tried, you know, I've got the Angie's brush. I like this one better, okay? It just blends like a dream. No streaks, no anything. It just blends everything out kind of smooth, and that's what I really love about it. Now, I got puffy under eyes, so I can't help it. And I may add some light, I may not today. So let's just blend. Look at that. Let me get my magnification mirror because that tells everything. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Now, what I like to do is come back and go right underneath here, right through here, using just the very top, okay? Because that's where my stuff settles. Yours probably does too. Especially right in here in that area. Oh, I like it. Now I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to use this to set the powder. So while this is setting, I went ahead and just kind of did a little bit of bronzer. I'm using this. This is NYX Wonder Stick. It is the color Fair. And love it. I have been using it for a long, long time. It blends so good. And I put it all down here. And I went ahead and did my lips. Because this ain't about lips today. Now, I like to come over just a tad. I like to warm my skin up. I really do. And sometimes I don't even use bronzer. I just use this. instead. Now this is very a light color. It's more of a taupey color, so it just works better. Depending on your skin tone, you may have to go, you know, to a different color. But I think that's the lightest color that they have. It's WSOR1, I believe. That's correct. But this is turning out really nice. And now let me look at the under eyes real quick. Oh, that looks so good. Now let's take, let's get some powder and let's do our under eyes. First thing I want you to do is take this and go right under here. Before you put any powder on, make sure that you don't have powder sitting right here. That's what I have to. I have to pull it out just a little bit. Oh my goodness. And then get your magnification mirror, which none of us like to look in, but you really need to see whether there's anything settling there. So we're gonna take this brush does everything, y'all. It does. I love it. I'm so happy I got it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. And then I'm gonna turn it. You're not swiping it, you're just patting it, okay? You don't wanna swipe it. Unless you're 20, you might can do that. But at 63, no, we're not doing that. And it just sets it so nicely. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna put on anything else maybe to brighten it. I think this is good enough for today. It's a rainy, gloomy day here anyway. And less is more sometimes. All right, we're gonna finish this up with Cheeky Love Letter. I love this. This is my Benefit. It's all matte powders colors. Look at that. And guess what I love to do? I love to do all the colors and blend them in, okay? So that's what we're doing. You just need a brush like this. Any kind of, I like one that's kind of soft but a little dense. That way it's easier to blend. But we are going to choose this, and this. Yes, we are. And look how pretty that is. Girl. This is fabulous. I loved it. I picked it up because I was like, you know, everything I have has got shiny in it. And then sometimes I don't want to be shiny, you know? I just want to have a really nice flush of color. And that's what this gives me. And I love it. And then I do love to come up here, just a little, and a little here. But I'm going to set it now with Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. And yes, I'm going to use my beauty blender. That's moist. We're almost done. I got to get out of here. I got stuff I got to go do. Oh, I know I'm crazy. I'm from Alabama. Yep. Can you tell? Oh, I love this. And I will link this too. You can't find this in the stores anymore, but it is on Amazon. It's Revolution Fix and Glow. It's your first time watching me. You know that I love this. And you shake it up and just look. See all that going around in there? Oh, that's what gives you that shine. And it sets, so you don't have it, you're not having to come back and do any kind of highlighting because it does it for you. And it sets your makeup. Genius. And I'm going to use Younique's Hottie. I had used this before I put my lipstick on, but I just need a little shine there. And this is a lip plumper. Fabulous product. I love it. It's one of my favorites. Oh, I like this. This turned out really good. I like the eye look too. Now, the eye look, I'll link everything for that too. It is Younique products. It's Giggly and Exalted, and I just kind of mixed them together. Very, very pretty. And I did use a color out of another palette. This one here, my Peach Tone palette. I used this color, like on my lid, just to give it a little bit of pop. So I'll include all these things. So, and you know what? I hope y'all have a fabulous week coming up. And oh my goodness, I hope you give this a try. Okay? Love you guys. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come hang out with me. And comment, good or bad. I'm all for it. All right, I will see y'all next week. See you later.